the first sound of pangu-pangu can only be pangu-pangu symbolizes peace. So pangu means to blow your nose, and pangu-pangu is another word to awaken a person. So when you put those two sounds together, coordinate. And now for our second motion of our dance, I want everyone trying to clap it like this. Have one hand on top of the other and give me the low sound of the clap. Now that low sound of the clap is go foo. Now everybody say foo. 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 And now for our last motion of our dance, I want everybody's hands extended in front of you. Have your fingers together, your palms extended, and then you clap your hands toward you, and you wave it toward you downward and out. Okay? Faster, faster, faster. Alright, I see now we're going to put all those three basic motions together. Now ready to give me one bati, one mati, one foo, one aka. One bati, one foo, one aka. Bati, foo, bati. As long as you both know the difference between foo. Then have the left hand extended to the side like this. The other left hand, alright? I'll have a mirror to you, so your left hand will be like this. And that motion is always accompanied with a loud, loud, happy scream. So your folks are happy today?
Yeah!
Are you all happy today?
Yeah!
Are you ready to go? Alright, now you look great and ready to perform with me the Malu. And up and clap. Ready, go! To the left, 1, 2, and 3 to the side, 1. Alright, your folks are doing great out there, but not yet. Alright, so how about a big hand dance to yourself? You've done a great job doing the Malu, and I hope that you both have
You guys are doing good, but I did not hear those two benches on the side over there. One more time for you guys. Go! Where's this group from? Come on here. Drums and also speaking my language. Everything that I say, you say loud and clear so everybody can hear you. If I say Ave, Ave, Are you ready?
Are you ready?
Yes. Sound like this, huh? Everybody tell them to follow me.